Now, in objectives, we have our general objective, that is understand the biological process of alcoholic fermentation and its role in homemade wine production. In specific objectives, we have first, recognize the necessary conditions for alcoholic fermentation to take place. The second is explain how sugars are transformed into ethanol through metabolic reactions. And finally, to calculate the alcohol produced during fermentation using basic math operations. Now, in objectives, we have our original objective, that is recognize the
Okay, that continue with the hypothesis. It was suggested that the wine could be created with commercial yeast. The later in our report that the yeast have not been needed, so it was have been mentioned that if the yeast had been needed, that the percent of the alcohol may increase. Consequently, it was expected that the wine will only reach percent of alcohol. Okay, that continue resume the methodology. Fresh blackberries were selected, washed and crushed, sugar added to container and stored in containers. The mixture was observed daily. That's all days, and the finish the results with the all days of the.
So continue with the tables on the results and analysis. We have three tables about density, volume, and alcohol. In the first one is the density. We take for 4 days, and we reported the density of the homeland. So on Friday 24, the 28th, and the 6th on March. So the first day we know that the percentage of density was 1.020 grams divided mole. The day 2 was 1.030 grams over mole. The third day was 1.040 grams over mole, and in the volume was the same days, but we take a difference. For example, in the first day, the alcohol percentage was the 1.127% of alcohol, and the third day the decrease around to 0.1%. And finally, in the alcohol table, we have in the first day the percentage of the alcohol was around 96, and the day 3 we have the alcohol increase around 1% of alcohol.
I am going to explain the graphics of the alcohol content in the blackberry wine. The first date is 28th of April. In this date, the portion of the alcohol is 1.6. The 29th to April is 1.6, and the 6th of May is 1.7. It's important to learn to increase the portion of alcohol is when the wine not present the yeast, and in this date is applied the yeast, and the graphic of density is augmented and it increased for different factors. For example, the temperature and the other factors, and is increased to 1.105 for the factors and the increase the gas in the wine. And the conclusion is important more the wine present 4.5% because the wine not present the gas in the first day and the last day present the gas and not consume the sugar for not present the gas in the wine.